Hey y'all, it's Sneaker for You 10. I'm coming back at you with the Ipsy bag for what is this, August? I got this one day last week, and these are the stock cards that came with it, and it's just basically telling you what's in the bag, where you can get it at. If it's free shipping or whatever, it has, you know, if you get any % off or whatever. This is the bag. This is what the bag looks like. And I got acrylic dust on it. So let me show you guys what came in the bag this time. Can you put that down?
I'm trying to show it.
You get this Nail Teeny nail lacquer.
I'm hungry.
Okay, the color is Mai Tai, and it is a pretty orange. I like it when they put nail polish in there. Okay, the next thing we got is by Michael Todd. It says True Organics Jojoba Charcoal Facial Scrub. It exfoliates and removes impurities. It's for all skin types. And that's that. Don't put that dirt on my table.
I was trying to get it out.
Don't put that dirt on my table. I'm going to show you guys what the scrub looks like. And it is black, like it says. It's charcoal. Y'all see that? Right there.
Can I have one?
No. It's nothing to have. And next we got in here is by Noya. It's a cherry bomb. And then we have a Lash Booster Mascara by Pixi. And the last thing we have is a Mica Beauty Cosmetics. It's a shimmer powder in bronze. And can y'all see that? It's very shimmery and bronzy. So I could say everything in this bag I will use. So I do like this month's bag. I like this bag better than last month's bag. If you guys don't know about Ipsy, it used to be My Glam. And it is a monthly subscription of $10. Some states have to pay sales tax, such as North Carolina, which is 68 cents. So it's $10.68 a month. And as you can see, you get full-size products or you get full-size samples. And that's it. That's my August Ipsy bag. I'm still doing Ipsy bags. I still use a lot of the products that I get. This is something that I got in one of my Ipsy bags, and it is a black gel liner, actually by that same company, Mica Cosmetics, and it is a gel liner, which I have really used up. So that's why I continue to get it, because I do use a lot of the products. This is a blush that I got. This is a gel liner, a purple gel liner that I got, that I've used a couple of times. So, this is one of the products I got in my last month's bag, and I've been using it every day. So yes, I think y'all would like it, like Ipsy bag. It's not that often that I get products that excuse me, y'all, that I cannot use. But, yeah, check them out. I will put the link down below. And I will see you guys in the next video.
Bye, baby.